Did you know that Amazon is always hiring? In this video, I'm going to show you how to find job openings at Amazon and how you can apply for them. First, open your browser and head over to the Amazon Jobs website. The easiest way to do this is to search for Amazon Jobs on Google. The first result should take you to www.amazon.jobs. Once you're on the site, you can search for jobs around the world. Amazon hires globally, so you can select your preferred location. For example, if you type United Kingdom, you can filter the jobs for the UK. You can also search by keyword if you're looking for a specific role, or simply browse all available jobs in your chosen country. For instance, a search might show over 500 full-time positions currently open. If you have a qualification or degree, you can refine your search using the job category filter. Let's say you're interested in operations. Check that box and it will show the relevant positions. Each listing shows recently updated jobs, so you can see which positions were posted hours or days ago. For example, a quality manager, Amazon Hold Pickup and Returns might appear. Clicking on it will display a full job description, including key responsibilities and required qualifications, such as relevant experience and degree. If the role fits you, click Apply Now in the top right corner. You can log in using your Amazon account or Google account. If you log in with Amazon, they'll access your name and email. Click Allow to proceed. Next, you'll verify your email via a code sent to your inbox. After verification, you'll be asked to fill in contact information, including your address and phone number. The application process continues across several tabs: SMS number, general questions, work eligibility, your CV, and consent. Make sure to complete all fields. Then review and submit your application. And that's it. By following these steps, you can search, apply, and stay updated on Amazon job opportunities anywhere in the world.